woman's story begins with a small spark, quiet yet unstoppable. A spark of courage to dream, spark of determination to rise, spark of wisdom to shine. I chased, I followed that spark through my life, through my work, through my dreams, through every rise, every fall, and it still guides me today. Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Shweta Singh Uma, founder of multimedia company Creative Paradise, a writer, a film producer, singer, sculptor, fashion designer, radio jockey, and at my core, a seeker of life. What does it mean to be a woman today? It means holding fear quietly. It means carrying anxiety softly, yet walking with confidence, walking with grace. It means believing in your dreams. It means finding your own light. It means standing tall, even if you are pulled down, even if you are doubted, even if you are questioned. It means rising for your purpose. It means rising for your soul, rising for your truth, not for praise, not for applause, and not for approval. Being a woman is not a duty, it's a journey of courage, journey of love, journey of kindness, and most important, journey of inner strength. We nurture families, we nurture emotions, and somewhere in between, we try to nurture ourselves too. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हर कोई आपके वजूद को समझ पाए, क्योंकि तराजू से वज़न बताता है, मयार नहीं। और आपका मयार आपकी नज़रों में ऊंचा होना चाहिए, बेमिसाल होना चाहिए, बेनज़ीर होना चाहिए, तभी दुनिया आपको सलाम करेगी। At the age of 21, after marriage, I moved to Moscow. A new land, a new life, a new language, new challenge, and new dreams. And yes, a shadow of fear. Fear of losing my identity, fear of losing my roots, but also excited to discover a new culture, to explore new opportunities, to meet new people, to learn new skill, and of course, to meet that new me. But in this journey, I was not alone. My husband stood by me, hand in hand, never ahead, never behind, always by my side. He gave me trust. He gave me respect. He gave me courage. He gave me wings to fly. Then came my two sons, my little teachers. They taught me patience. They taught me strength. They taught me to celebrate even the smallest victory in life. They taught me that life is fragile, yet powerful. जिन छोटे कदमों के पीछे कभी मैं चला करती थी उनकी हिम्मत बनकर, आज वो मशाल लेकर मेरे आगे खड़े हैं, मेरा हौसला बढ़ाने, मुझे रास्ता दिखाने, मेरी हिम्मत बनकर, मेरी शक्ति बनकर. I was a shy girl, introvert, doubting myself, but my family believed in me, motivated me, lifted me. With their support and encouragement, slowly I began to rise. I began to fly. And I realized women's power grows quietly. It grows with love. It rises with respect. It deepens with motherhood. Through patience, through dedication, and through my hard work, I discovered a new self, a new me, bright, bold, creative, confident. And that new me expressed herself through art, music, words, cinema, fashion, business, and of course, spirituality. Today, that shy girl stands here sharing her story. Once my family gave me roots, I found the courage to reach for the sky. Art shaped my mind, words shaped my heart, and possibilities shaped my life. As a writer, as a shaira, I wrote stories. I wrote ghazals, nazms, kavitaएं, रुबाइयाँ, articles. As a singer, I let my soul sing through lyrics. As a sculptor, I shape my thoughts into reality. As a painter, I filled my canvas with the colors of life. As a fashion stylist, I played with fashion through my fashion brand, Shweta Style. As a producer, I brought meaningful stories to life. As a radio jockey, I gave people a pause, a moment of calm. I built my universe of creativity with my multimedia company, Creative Paradise. It started as a platform. It turned into a sanctuary for dreamers like me. My work reflected who I was. My work reflected who I could become. हर सपने ने सरगोशी की, थोड़ा और आगे बढ़। हर धड़कन ने हिम्मत दी, अपने होने पे यकीन कर, और मैं निकल पड़ी अपनी मंजिल की तलाश में। Through creation, I found courage. And through courage, I found compassion. And through compassion, finally, I found myself, a new, confident me. I believe true success is all about balance. Balance between your heart and your mind. Balance between your dreams and reality. Balance between your ambitions and grace. It's all about connecting to your belief, your truth, your inner strength. My every creation, my every decision, every gesture was a prayer of belief, that truth, that inner Shakti, that a bridge between my heart, my soul, and universe. People always ask me, where did you find your strength? I say, strength is not found. It is shaped like clay in your hand. I believe woman's life is like clay. People try to mold it. Norms try to define it. And society try to shape it. But the masterpiece is born only when we shape ourselves with our own hand, with our own vision. मैं खुद को तराशती रही, मैं खुद को निखारती रही, हौसलों की गीली मिट्टी से अपने अक्स को संवारती रही. And that is where I found my Shakti, my inner strength. And I learned something profound, that empowerment is not loud, it's quiet, it's gentle, it's a whisper of Shakti that says, I know who I am. And when I aligned with that Shakti, life aligned with me. I always get inspiration from brave souls who kept their spark alive at any cost, like J.K. Rowling, a single mother, struggling, broken, and she wrote Harry Potter anyway because she believed in herself, and the world followed. Like Vera Wang, she began her fashion career at the age of 40. People said it's too late. She tried anyway. She is a global icon in fashion industry. They remind us it's never too late. It's never too late to rise. It's never too late to begin. It's never too late to shine. I always believed in the wisdom of Rumi, Sufi mystic fakir from Persia. He said, what you seek is seeking you. Over time, his words became the reality of my life, truth of my journey. The love I wished was always flowing through my art. The identity I chased outside was always within me. And my journey from India to Moscow, from silence to voice, from thoughts to creation, from words to poetry, taught me one truth, that when you find yourself, life will find you. When you trust yourself, life will trust you. And when you love yourself, life will definitely love you. I stand here, a living proof that with dedication, self-belief, and strong mind, anything is possible. You can achieve anything. अपनी बात को अपनी लिखी एक रुबाई से कंक्लूड करना चाहती हूँ कि खुदा के हर फैसले का तहे दिल से एहतराम कर. खुदा के हर फैसले का तहे दिल से एहतराम कर, तो बस शिद्दत और नेकदिली से अपना काम कर. वो तुझे नवाजेगा ज़रूर जिस आसमान का तू हकदार है. तेरा वक्त भी आएगा, बस उस वक्त का इंतज़ार कर. You don't need permission, you just need courage. Courage to find your inner strength, and that strength will shine through you. My final message to every woman, I like to say, respect yourself, honor your dreams, shape your own world, never dim your light, even if world isn't ready to see it. Find your Shakti, shine brighter, shine bolder, shine fearlessly, and watch how the world quietly rises to meet you. Thank you.